G'day all, here is the RW-BL1K steam engine plant. Now I've featured this many times now since it came. It came in this wonderful boxed presentation box, many layers of parts. It was one of the funnest things I've put together. It was such a fun build. And everyone that I know who has bought one of these has said the same thing about the build. The build was so much fun to put together. Now, I've ordered an accessory from EngineDIYShop. It's a steam whistle. So let's go ahead and let's add this accessory to the BL1K. All right, we'll take it out. Got some Teflon tape. Okay, this looks straightforward. Now that's very nicely built. So it goes in that position, and there's the lever to actuate it. We've got a thread. All right, let's put some Teflon tape on it. Okay, now the whistle is going to go where this blinking plug is in the boiler. So we'll remove this blinking plug. And it goes straight into the copper boiler. Now it does have an aluminium washer, and I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to reuse that and put that onto the thread of the whistle. Okay, that is going to be more than ample. Okay, Teflon's on, and I've got that little aluminium washer. So we'll screw this in. So that's a bushing. It's going straight into a bushing in the copper boiler. And we'll screw that up to about there. Can we go further? I can go one more. Okay, bring that up to there. Now, back that. Getting tight now. Just don't want to force things. Yep, that's nice and tight. So there we are. Whistle straight up and down and ready to work. Okay, we'll put some water in the boiler. Such a nice steam plant. Pressure gauge, window to see. All right. Okay, funnel out. Safety valve in. We'll put some spirits in the burner. I really do like this burner. It's one of the better burners. The design just works fantastic. Okay, light that up. Slip that in. And we'll be back when that's coming to boil. Safety valve starting to lift. So let's see what this sounds like. Wow, that's beautiful. It's very hard for cameras to pick up a steam whistle, I've found over the years, but I hope that's picking that up, because that sounds absolutely excellent. We'll start the engine up straight away. What a fun little addition to the BL1K that is, the steam whistle. Screwed in perfectly into that blanking plug that goes into the copper boiler. This is an accessory condensate pump that I made. So this doesn't come with the BL1K, this is a modification that I made. It's just a delightful steam plant, and as mentioned, a great build, a really fun DIY build. I'll just let that off a few more times. I really hope that the camera is picking that up, because that is quite an ear-piercing steam whistle. The two little dogs, they've disappeared. I don't know where they are, but it's certainly stopped them from barking. Here we go. My grandson's going to have a lot of fun with that. I'll turn that off. So that's from EngineDIYShop. What a beauty little addition accessory that was. One more. Okay. As always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.